Hi, this is Green from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a CTA Popup Timeline Action using Obvio. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're logged in, we just have to open the Obvio timeline that we will be using. So this will be the one that we'll be using. And then let's click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. From here, we have to select when we want this action to be triggered. So I'll want this to be triggered 2 minutes after the webinar has started. And then I'll be targeting registrants. From here, just select Obvio and then let's select CTA Popup. So as you can see here, these are the fields that we can fill out so we can put in our headline. And then our sub-headline. And then we can also select if we want to show the countdown or not. So in this case, I want it to show. And you have 6 options that you can select from, but I'll be staying with style 1. So this is how it will look like. And then for the countdown direction, you can choose to either have it count down like this or have it count up. And then you can also change the location either top or bottom. So I'll be setting it to show up at the bottom of the webinar. And we have to scroll back up because we need to set if we want this to show until the webinar is over or if we want to set a specific time when we want this pop-up to be hidden. So in my case, I'll be disabling this one because I want it to show or display until the end of the event. So once you're satisfied with everything, just click on Create at the bottom. And there you have it. We have successfully added the CTA Popup Timeline Action for this Obvio timeline. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below. Subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.